7 daily habits that may help prevent dementia backed by science. You need to take care of this right now, or it could be a really big problem. Dementia, that silent thief of memories, doesn't just appear overnight. It's a subtle current, quietly reshaping the intricate landscapes of our brains, often over decades. But here's the hopeful truth: emerging research, from the cutting edge of medical and neuroscience studies, tells us that our daily choices hold profound power. They can be our shields, protecting our precious memories, fortifying our cognitive resilience, and significantly reducing the risk of dementia's shadow falling upon us. In this video, we'll embark on a gentle journey, exploring 7 scientifically backed habits. These aren't grand, overwhelming changes, but rather simple, consistent shifts in how we move, what we nourish our bodies with, how we connect with the vibrant world around us, and how we allow our minds to find serene rest. Think of them as whispers of wisdom from science, guiding us towards a brighter, sharper, and more independent tomorrow. Because dementia isn't an inevitable fate, but rather a challenge we can actively face, one mindful habit at a time. Our minds, much like a beloved garden, thrive with consistent care and thoughtful cultivation. Just as a garden needs sunlight, water, and rich soil, our brains flourish when nurtured with specific habits. Recent advancements in research, particularly from groundbreaking studies like the U.S. Pointer study, illuminate a powerful path forward. This comprehensive study, mirroring the promising finger study from Finland, unequivocally demonstrates that lifestyle interventions, even without pharmaceutical drugs, can profoundly improve cognitive function. Imagine, over 2 years, 2,111 older adults engaged in structured programs, guided by experts, finding more significant cognitive improvements than those simply given educational materials. This is not just a theory. It is a proven approach to safeguarding our most cherished asset, our minds. So, what are these 7 pillars of brain health? Let's gently uncover each one. 1. Embrace movement, the dance of the mind and body. Our first habit is movement, not just for our physical well-being, but for the intricate dance it creates within our brains. Imagine your brain cells as delicate flowers, thriving when nourished by a steady flow of oxygen and nutrients. Exercise is the gentle rain that keeps them vibrant. The U.S. Pointer study specifically recommends a multifaceted approach. Aim for aerobic exercise at least 4 days a week. This could be a brisk walk, a gentle swim, or a joyful dance. Supplement this with strength training twice a week, perhaps with light weights or resistance bands, to build muscle that supports overall health. And don't forget flexibility exercises, also, twice a week, to keep your body nimble and your circulation flowing freely. Community centers are wonderful hubs for engaging in these activities, transforming personal effort into shared joy. Regular physical activity enhances blood flow to the brain, stimulates the growth of new brain cells, and strengthens the connections between them. It's like tending to a vibrant forest, ensuring every tree stands tall and strong. 2. Nourish your brain, a symphony of smart eating. What we eat is intimately connected to how our brains function. Think of your diet as the fuel for your mind's engine. The Mind Diet, a beautiful blend of the Mediterranean and DASH diets, is a star in this constellation of healthy eating. It emphasizes berries, leafy greens, nuts, whole grains, and olive oil, while limiting red meat, butter, cheese, and fried foods. This dietary pattern is specifically designed to support brain health, and has been linked to slower cognitive decline. And here's a delightful detail: recent research, published in the Journal of Nutrition, suggests that even humble eggs can play a role. Consuming at least 1 egg a week may contribute to dementia prevention. Why? Eggs are rich in choline, a vital nutrient that protects cell membranes and is crucial for creating neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers of your brain. So, let your meals be a symphony of colors and nutrients, a delicious offering to your cognitive vitality. 3. Challenge your mind, the spark of lifelong learning. Our brains thrive on novelty and challenge, much like a muscle that grows stronger with regular exercise. Engage in activities that stimulate your mind. This could be learning a new language, picking up a musical instrument, solving puzzles, or even delving into web-based cognitive training programs like BrainHQ. As suggested by research, these activities build cognitive reserve, creating a buffer against the effects of aging and potential damage. Each new skill learned, each complex problem solved, adds another layer of resilience to your mental fortress. It's about keeping the embers of curiosity glowing, sparking new connections and pathways within your mind. 4. Cultivate connections, the warmth of social bonds. Humans are inherently social beings, and our brains flourish in the warmth of connection. Active social engagement is not just pleasant, it's a powerful protective factor against cognitive decline. Spend time with loved ones, join clubs or groups that align with your interests. Volunteer in your community, or simply engage in meaningful conversations. Social interaction stimulates various parts of the brain, fosters emotional well-being, and reduces feelings of isolation, which can be detrimental to brain health. Imagine your social network as a vibrant tapestry, each thread representing a connection that strengthens the whole. Loneliness can be a cold and quiet place for the mind. Warmth comes from shared laughter and empathetic understanding. 5. Prioritize restful sleep, the brain's gentle reset. Sleep is not merely a passive state. It is a vital period of repair and rejuvenation for your brain. During deep sleep, your brain actively clears out waste products and consolidates memories. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of dementia. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a calming bedtime routine. Ensure your sleep environment is dark and quiet. And limit screen time before bed. Think of sleep as your brain's gentle reset button, allowing it to organize, clean, and prepare for a new day of vibrant activity. It's during these quiet hours that the mind consolidates the day's lessons and prepares for the stories yet to unfold. 6. Manage your health, a guardian's vigilance. Many chronic health conditions can significantly increase the risk of dementia. The Lancet, a prestigious medical journal, highlighted that up to 40% of dementia cases could potentially be prevented by addressing modifiable risk factors. This means taking an active role in managing your overall health. Crucially, this includes preventing and managing diabetes, which can damage blood vessels and impair brain function. It also means moderating alcohol intake, avoiding exposure to air pollution, and vigilantly managing blood pressure, cholesterol levels, weight, and smoking habits. Don't overlook the profound impact of managing depression, inflammation, and sleep deficiencies. Regular checkups with your doctor are your frontline defense, allowing for early detection and proactive management. Be a vigilant guardian of your health, for your body and mind are intricately connected. 7. Embrace lifelong learning and adaptability, the spirit of growth. Beyond formal learning, cultivate a spirit of continuous growth and adaptability. This encompasses seeking out new experiences, maintaining a positive outlook, and practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness, in particular, helps reduce stress and improve focus, both beneficial for brain health. The journey of life offers endless opportunities for learning and adapting. This continuous engagement with the world, open-mindedness to new ideas, and resilience in the face of change all contribute to a brain that remains supple and vibrant. It's about nurturing an inner landscape that is always expanding, always discovering, much like a river that constantly finds new paths. Dementia, as we've gently explored, is not an unalterable destiny. Through these 7 scientifically backed, simple, and consistent daily choices, we can build a powerful defense. Each mindful step you take, each nutritious meal you enjoy, each stimulating challenge you embrace, each warm connection you foster, each restful night of sleep you prioritize, and each health condition you vigilantly manage, contributes to a sharper, more independent life. It's a journey of quiet determination, a testament to the profound power we each hold to shape our cognitive future. Your mind is a precious gift. Let's nurture it, protect it, and allow it to continue weaving the rich tapestry of your life's stories for many years to come. Simple, consistent changes today can mean a sharper, more independent life tomorrow, full of the wisdom and memories you cherish. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and take good care of your health.